napanawagan po natin last week, kung saan may sinaoli po si Mr. Romel Rodriguez na isang taxi driver po ng 5th Sunday po, naiwan po sa kanya ang backpack po ng naglalaman po ng
dami,
passport, toiletries, at ang mahalaga dito, yung cash worth 90,000.
Miss Sophie, you came to the Philippines as a tourist.
Yes.
Is this your first time in the
Very
Philippines?
first time.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
I'm so sorry that it had to have a glitch.
That is okay.
But
I have no hard feelings.
Yes, because
everything came out good.
Yes. And your travel here was actually arranged by Miss Lina. Very important Pinoy.
Yes.
Oo. So, Miss Lina, may we ask you also, what is this very important Pinoy program?
This is sponsored by Department of Tourism here in the Philippines. And is the coordinator here is arranged by Raja Tour.
Okay.
We are the agent from different country in US.
So, this is your first time?
Yes.
And you took a taxi. Where were you going?
To Seda Hotel, but he dropped us off at Ayala Mall.
Okay. Manila lang ba ang punta niya?
No, we came from Bacolod,
okay.
Bukidnon, Cagayan de Oro, all over Cagayan de Oro.
Ang swerte nyo naman na ang taxi na nasakyan ninyo ay kay Sir Romel.
Yes.
Napakagwapo. Panggintong medal. Gusto mo mag-Olympics din? Baka meron pang taxi na Olympics eh.
May edad na tayo, ma'am.
Wala sa edad yan. Age is just a number. Ako sigurado ko hindi ito ang unang pagkakataon.
Hindi po, ma'am. Magsauli pa ako sa DCHQ pa dati sa Guadalupe. Iba pa yung online na binibigay ko na sinasauli ko. 3 cellphone yata po bago nasundan ito.
Tinan mo. This is the first time that you will be able to see your bag again.
Okay.
Yes.
Please check it.
So, can you just please open your bag and see? Because we had to open it before and then we took photos.
My ID.
Yeah, this is the itinerary.
Your passport. Oh my God, that's very important.
Very important.
Your eyeglass.
Eyeglasses. That's also very important. So, bag reveal po ito ni Miss Sophie Hatekanaka. This is what we call a bag reveal.
I have to.
Yes.
Yeah.
Is that complete, ma'am?
I think everything is in
How
here.
about the money?
Your dollar.
All of my money is in here.
Bigay na po natin yung 1,000 pesos cash po. Galing po sa Rafi Tulfo in Action. 1,000 pesos po. Para po, bilang pa-thank you na din po namin sa inyo, sir, sa magiging matapat niyo pong driver.
Salamat po, sir.
Give this to him.
Si ma'am na yung nag-design.
Decision and you give this to him.
5,000.
5,000. Thank you, ma'am.
Wow.
Thank you very much.
Thank you po. Thank you.
May nice po ba kayong i-greet din, sir? Yung mga ano nyo po?
Yung mga tropang Teresita at saka Pip Sandy po. Kay Boss Jess, saka kay Paring Marlon.
Thank you very much, Sir Romel Rodriguez. Sobrang proud ko si Idol Rafi sa inyo. Ibabalik po kayo sa batch 88. Okay po, ng Gawad Katapatan po namin. And kung saan mamimigay po kami ng appliances, gadgets, at kung ano-ano pa, sir. Miss Sophie, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Very relieved.
Please enjoy the rest of your stay.
I will.
She would like to donate for those people that are really in need. Yung mga humihingi ng tulong na nangangailangan. Can we give $200?
Ito po,
Pero yan, for transparency.
Ito po mga kapatid, last touch po ako. Hahanapan po namin ito ng matutulungan po.
Please.
Siguro within today, ano po ba ang gusto ni ma'am na tulungan? Children, senior citizens?
Yes. Please help. Yes.
Yeah. For the needy. Kahit na bahala na kayo.
Okay. Sige, mayroon po kasi kami dyan, ma'am, mga may sakit po. Maghahanap po kami, ma'am, na mapagbibigyan po nito.
Yes,
Then,
please.
mabuhay po kayo, Sir Romel.
Yes, sir.
Salamat po.
Enjoy, Sophie.
Thank you.
Wanted sa radyo. Wanted sa radyo. Wanted sa radyo. Itong solihin ng bayan. Itong solihin ng bayan. Itong solihin ng bayan. Itong solihin ng bayan. Kamusta mga kapatid na ngayon ay nakatuto na bagamat